Alright, hello everyone. So today we are going to be practicing Gaussian elimination. So as you can see, we have a blank board here and we're going to be practicing some simple problems that we have on our homework for linear algebra. So for all my linear algebra students here we go. Let's do some Gaussian elimination. So first thing we have here is we have a system. Okay, so first thing you want to do when you have yourself a system is you want to write it in the augmented matrix. So that can be written as A pound right here. So this augmented matrix is going to be a 2 by 2. So it's going to be 7, -3, 14, -6. You write the line here, 5, 10. Now, I want you to keep in mind, this video is not a lesson, an in-depth lesson on how to do this, of all the steps of what to do with row operations and whatnot. This is only a video on the process of doing it. I have an example here and I'm just showing you how I'm doing it. And if you have any questions about what I'm doing or how I should do it, go ahead and let me know in the community. Go ahead, ask me a question directly and I will respond. So this is just the process on how to do it. This is not a lesson. So we got the augmented matrix. Now we want to do row operations to reduce it. But first thing we could do is we can multiply this by 1/2 and then get... Okay, so we could just actually reduce that down by 2 so then actually see that that is equal. So if we reduce this down, we could subtract pretty much... I don't know if you could see, but you could just make this zeros. So if you say this is equal to, so what does that mean? This is equal to, let's scale this down by 1/7. So then you say 1. So here in this column, you have a leading 1, right? So this is a bound column, right? This has no leading 1 right here. So this is free, right? So since that's free right there, what does that mean? That means if we're gonna solve this, right? If we're gonna solve for what, for what this system is, because you have this system here. If you're gonna solve this, you're gonna say x minus 3/7. So this is gonna mean that your answer, your set of real answers is gonna be, your x's are gonna be 5/7 plus 3/7 t. And then your y's are going to be t, as long as such that t is a real number. Let's try another problem. This is an example of a 4x4 matrix. So here, if we write the augmented matrix, then we have here a 4x4, which is a 1. Here, what is this? Oh, this is a p? Now this is a row. We're running out of letters to put. You could have put anything you wanted. You could have put a dot, but we're going to use row, and a 1 here, and a... I know you're saying, oh, Dylan, you said a 4x4 matrix. What is that? That's a 4x5. This is actually the 4x4 system right here. This is just the column vector that you're concatenating on. But here, we're going to do row operations. And we got a nice pivot right here, so we're going to leave that. So we're going to multiply by 2. Okay, added to this one, we get 0. If I add this and that together. Now, if you add this with this as well, then you get 0. Yeah, alright, okay, so then you're left with that, right? So now, if you were to take this, you could see that you can easily take this row and subtract it from this row. So this row is going to be zeros. So then this is going to be your row equivalent to... This is going to be a hard one because you have to say x, y, and here you have a free column and another free column because you don't have leading 1s here. So you're going to have to say t and s here. So when you're solving, now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to say x, and then what you say is You got, what do you got? You got y minus 3/7 t plus 3/7 s equals 0. Then you just have shit. Fuck, man. Shit, man. Fuck. Yeah, no, then I guess you just say t equals 1, and then you say s equals 0. Yo! Alright, later. Okay, so you're solving this equation. You got those two right there, and then if you use back substitution, then your answer should be... Okay, yeah, no, this doesn't really make sense, because here you got something, you got the zeros here, and then you got 1. So this is an inconsistent system, so this system can't be solved. I should have solved this from the start, but since you have the 1 here, this is inconsistent. Since this matrix right here is like, the rank of it is 2, and then the rank of this is 3, so this is an inconsistent system. But yeah, that's how you do that. Alright everyone, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you go watch out for more of these videos, because I want you guys to learn more math in this world of craziness. And as this world gets crazier and crazier, hopefully we can get more and more academic people out there that can actually think with their brains. And one of the easiest ways to do that is with math. So go ahead, watch more of these videos. You don't even need to follow along. Just watch through it and absorb, listen to what I'm saying, see me do some of the problems, and hopefully it can help your thinking skills and your critical thinking, your just analysis skills get better. But yeah, without further ado, that's it. Thank you. We out.